What you got there?
I got a chicken.
Where you find that chicken at? You found him?
I got chicken.
Yeah. That guy scared you?
Yeah.
Did you pick him up and everything?
Yeah.
That's cool. Good job.
Why'd you hold that chick? No, I can't tell me. What? The guy showed him it.
The guy showed you how to do it? That's so cool. Oh, did you get the chicken a kiss?
Can I hold it for a sec? No. Here. I just saw it. I got it.
Good job, dude.
It's heavy.
He heavy? You want to let him set him down?
No.
No.
I want it.
You don't. You want to let him down?
No. Oh, dear hood. Okay?
Okay.
On her show.
What?
I'll sit down on her show.
You want to go set it down over there?
No.
No.
Over there, tree.
Over to the trees?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, dude. I love you. Aww.
Daddy, what?
I see. You're so cute. You're so cute. Yeah, you're so cute.
Hey,
Yeah, you're doing good.